This video will cover how to view feedback specifically for discussions in Brightspace. The first option is through the Grades category. Head over to the navigation bar, or nav bar for short, and click on Grades. Here, students will be able to see the score and overall feedback. The next option is on the discussion itself. Head over to the nav bar and click on Discussions. Please note, if the instructor did not enable the Discussion tab in the nav bar, then students cannot access their feedback using this method. Then, click on the link to a discussion topic. And this is where students will be able to see their score and overall feedback. The last option is accessible by going to the nav bar and clicking on Class Progress. Similarly, the instructor has to have their Class Progress tab enabled for this method to work. Students can select the Discussion tab in the Class Progress tool, or just scroll down to it. Here, students can access a specific discussion they wish to view feedback on. Once found, students can see the score and then select the Details tab in that particular discussion to view the overall feedback. Thank you for watching. For more Brightspace related content, subscribe to our channel.